Hey everybody, Pepe here with a quick video update on my two cacao plants. The one here that you're looking at right now, absolutely doing amazing. A lot of new growth on there, and it is in a really nice little spot. You can see a bunch of the leaves that are on the ground there because I was doing a little pruning. And this guy's looking pretty good, but the surprise of the evening is coming home and noticing that our other cacao, which is also 3.5 years old, just like the first one, has now gotten itself to the point where it's mature and it has some cacao in it. I hope you can see them. Let me see if I can point them out in case they're not clearly. We got some flowers right there, and down here we got one growing, a little pod. It's got some aphids on there. We're gonna do something about that. And then right over here we've got our little tiny little pod right there. And now this tells me two things. Number one, having all of this litter all around on the ground is actually a good thing, even though I know it looks kind of messy. But this mulching that's going on, and also noticed over there in the corner right there is a cacao pod that's just tossed into the corner. And the reason that I do this is because there's another one over here right there, you can see it. Well, from what I've learned, you need to have those pods tossed around. There's another one over here. Right there. Right there's another pod. And the reason I toss them around like that is because that actually provides habitat for the very, very small midge that's absolutely necessary in order to get good pollination of these very, very, very small flowers. And then up here, there is another one. I'll show you. There's another flower right there, and there's one just a little bit right behind it. Probably not coming in too clearly, but it's there. I think you guys can see it. And then up here, as we come back and look around, we're going to see that this guy has got a lot of new growth and doing quite well. Now, I do have a little bit of an issue with some aphids, and we're going to deal with that in a day or so if it continues. But right now we have our little friend. You can see him in there. A little ladybug that's working and doing a good job of controlling these aphids. Now the next thing we'll do is, if we can't get them under control, because we do want them to go away, we'll just get a little bit of pressure on a water hose and we'll spray them off. If that doesn't work, then we'll go ahead and we'll get some neem oil, maybe Azamax, which is a little bit stronger, much more refined concentration of neem. So in any event, guys, just wanted to show off the little cacao plants, and big day, really excited. So all of you guys out there, all you gals, everyone out there that's growing cacao plants, keep this information in mind, and I wish you the best of luck, and I'll keep you guys updated on our cacao plants.